Welcome back! Today we're off the Las Vegas Strip, headed back to Area 15 for another cool adventure. This experience will take you high into the Vegas sky for a spectacular view of the Las Vegas Strip. It's going to be a great time. Come check it out with me. I just love Area 15 for their amazing immersive experiences. I was just here last month for the grand opening of their latest experience called Illuminarium Experiences. If you haven't seen that yet, check the description box for a link to that video. Let's take a peek inside Area 15. There are 17 different experiences you can try. Here is a list of them. Area 15 is huge. It's an experiential entertainment complex spanning 40,000 square feet of indoor and outdoor event space. Please consider supporting me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Liftoff is actually located outside of the building. It isn't brand new, but fairly new since it opened just a few months ago. There's a cozy lounge with chairs and sofas and a bar where you can grab one of their specialty cocktails. I think this has a completely different vibe at night, which I actually think is a little sexier. You'll see that a bit later, but first, let's go check out their cocktails. There are 6 different options. Each of them are $19. We ordered the Liftoff and the Strip View Strawberry Mojito. And let me tell you, they are not stingy with the alcohol. I swear I was a bit buzzy after one drink. You can drink your cocktail in the lounge and watch it lift off, or you have the option to take the cocktail with you on your adventure. I recommend taking the adventure when it's dark. I just think the views are a little more stunning at night. All purses and bags must be put in one of the lockers, which are located right behind me. Liftoff isn't exactly a thrill ride where you'll be shot up into the sky at 100 miles an hour or suddenly drop to the ground. It's more of a gentle ride to about 130 feet above the ground. It's like a hot air balloon rising slowly. You can see us gently ascending now. You sit at a table that seats 16 people. Because it isn't moving that fast, it's an amazing opportunity to take some great aerial shots of the Strip, or you can just sit back and enjoy the panoramic views. If you notice how this is set up, you really have to turn around to get a photo or video. Otherwise, you'll have the people seated across from you in the shot. Once you get to the top, it does a few slow rotations so you can enjoy the different city views. There's Resorts World in the back. If you decide to look down from the top of Liftoff, here's what it looks like. I'm going to speed this up so you can see everything I saw, and it also gives you an idea of how slow the rotation is. Look how beautiful that is. The experience is only about 7 minutes, but I really enjoyed it. I found it very relaxing, and truth be told, views of the Las Vegas Strip never get old for me. Here are the prices. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more Vegas content. We're gonna walk back through the lounge, and now it's nighttime. Look how much sexier it looks now. Before we head out, let's check out the art installations located adjacent to Liftoff at Art Island. I was excited to have the opportunity to look at these larger-than-life art pieces up close. Usually this area gets pretty crowded, so it's difficult to do so. I was surprised to discover Infinity Ship. You would never be able to tell from the outside that this is what it looked like in the inside. Pulse Portal is actually the entryway to Area 15. Thank you so much again for hanging out with me. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at In and Out of Vegas.